mint chip protein ice cream. I know, right? Hey, this is Lindsay from Fit and Fabulous, and today I'm gonna show you how to make an uber good, delicious mint chip protein ice cream today. So this recipe is super easy to make. It is full of protein, it's creamy, it's delicious. It's like literally everything that you would ever want in like a mint chip ice cream, except it's like uber good for you. So if you guys stay tuned today, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to make this uber good, delicious recipe. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Lindsay and this is my YouTube channel. It is Fit and Fabulous, and I make videos like this every single week. I make videos on weight loss, I do delicious recipes, I do fun reviews, I do lots of really fun things on this channel. So be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the notifications so you guys never miss a video like this in the future. As well as if you guys do like this type of video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, ding, and that way I know to make more videos like this in the future. Plus, if you guys do find me on Instagram and you guys make any of these uber good, delicious recipes that I post on my channel, be sure to tag me and I'll totally give you guys a shout out. So if you guys are ready to make an uber good, delicious mint chip protein ice cream, then let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna need is a blender cup, and then we are gonna be using frozen cubes of almond milk. So this is about a half a cup of frozen almond milk. Now, when you use the frozen cubes, it actually makes this recipe like so creamy and delicious and just so good. So you just need about a half a cup of those. Next, we're gonna be using some protein powder. Now this is level 1 by Phorm. And this is the ice cream sandwich flavor, and it is absolutely delicious. It actually has like little pieces of chocolate in it, and it is so, so good. So 1 scoop of this protein powder has 140 calories, and it has 24 grams of protein, which is amazing. Now, the biggest difference between this protein powder and other protein powders is that this protein powder actually uses like low temperature processing to create the protein, as opposed to other protein powders that actually use like high temperature processing. And that high temperature processing can actually cause like gas and bloating and upset stomach and all kind of like nasty stuff. So that's why I like to use level 1 on a regular basis. So next we're gonna be using some egg whites in this recipe. Now this is just like a carton of egg whites I just got at the local grocery store. Now when you get egg whites, you just wanna make sure that they're pasteurized so you can actually use them like raw in recipes. Now this is just gonna add a little bit more protein to this recipe, and it just kind of makes it a little bit fluffier and just like, you know, just gives it a little bit more oomph. So we are gonna be using a 1/4 cup of egg whites. Next, we're gonna be using some liquid almond milk. Now this is some unsweetened vanilla almond milk. I always like to go with the unsweetened just so I'm not adding like extra sugar and whatnot. Now if you guys wanna use cashew milk or soy milk or just regular milk, you totally can. Just be sure that it's a half a cup of the whatever kind of milk you wanna use. Next, we're gonna be using some peppermint because we can't make mint chip protein ice cream without the peppermint. Now peppermint is like super, super potent, so you just want to use like a little tiny bit. I'm going to be using 1/8 teaspoon because I find like that's the best for my taste buds. Next, I'm going to be adding just a little bit of like green food coloring. Now this is like totally optional. I just like to add just like a little bit of like the green coloring just because, you know, it just kind of gives it like that little bit of like minty color. So just kind of give it like a few squirts or like whatever you think is going to be like a good color. Next, I'm gonna be using a little bit of xanthan gum. Now, if you guys don't have this, it's totally okay. You actually don't even have to use it. Basically what it does, it just makes it that much thicker. It's basically just like a binding agent, just like I said, just makes it thicker. If you don't have it, it's totally cool. So I am gonna be using a 1/2 teaspoon in this recipe. And next I'm just gonna sweeten it up just a hint more. So I'm just gonna be adding just a little bit of stevia. Now this is just like a little thing of stevia that I just got at my grocery store. So I'm just gonna basically be adding like 2 to 4 squirts. Like it really just depends on like your taste buds. You don't even have to add the stevia if you don't want to, but I just like to kind of sweeten it up just a little bit more. So then you wanna put the lid on and blend that bad boy. And voila, that is what our mint chip protein ice cream looks like. It is so good, you guys. Honestly, look at it. It's insane. It's really, 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 really good. If you didn't get that, it's really good. So what you want to do is you want to grab a cup or a bowl or whatever you want to put it into. You don't even have to put in anything. You pretty much just eat it out of the container if you want to, but for this video, I am going to be putting it into a mason jar just to make it, you know, kind of look a little bit pretty. So I'm just going to put that in there and I'm just going to top it with a few things. So I am gonna top it with a little bit of the coconut whipped cream because it's really good. And I just really like it, it just tastes good. And then I'm just gonna add a few chocolate chips and that is going to be our super yummy, delicious mint chip protein ice cream. So I hope you ladies enjoyed that recipe. I know it's definitely one of my favorite recipes. I know I say that about like a lot of my recipes on the channel, but I mean, I can't put recipes on the channel if they're not good. Be sure to like definitely check out this recipe. Definitely try it for sure, like 100%. If you ladies have any questions at all, let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know if you have any more ideas for any new recipes like ever. Just let me know like in the comment section down below. And I hope you ladies have an amazing day. And I will chat with you later. All right, love you. Bye.